Welcome back. We're on the Cape Otway Road, Moriac, and the traffic slowed down to buggery, and I thought I'd bring you on to show some filtering. And I've got a passenger too, Cindy. I wonder if you can see her. Can you see her? Say hi. There you go. There she is. Alright. Now, yeah, filtering. Nice and stop. Now the thing is speed, right? Relative speed. Just got to see where I'm going. Yeah, I'm going straight. Alright, watching the GPS. We're going to Apollo Bay. This is on the way to Apollo Bay or something or other. Yeah, all about speed. See how these cars are moving? That's what it's about. Is keep all the speed relative to what. So I wouldn't be doing like 100 down here, would I? Nah. Just a bit more than what they're doing, to allow for any change in the circumstance. That's what the trick is. And good thing about freeways is typically the gap is quite big between cars. So when you're cruising along, you might see a gap and you think, oh, that's smaller than usual. But even though it might be smaller than usual, just like that last one there, it's still usually quite large enough for a bike on a freeway because of the lane size, unless you're a dick like this Forester dick, bloody Foresters. But see, there you go, yeah. But even that, see, it's nice and easy. All right. Now on my bike, I don't know about your bike, but my philosophy on my bike, no. The rules on my bike are camera. Mirrors through, panniers through, mirrors through, panniers. So I don't worry about the panniers. Yeah, I got the panniers on. Oh, look at that line of cars. Oh my god, it's gonna take for freaking ever. Now, you're probably saying, Nelson, why don't you use the bloody emergency lane? No, you can't do that. Not allowed. Cops get you doing that, you're fucked. Sorry, apologies. You're buggered, right? Family show. Sorry, family show. Sorry, mate. Plucked. You're plucked. Yeah, they pluck you out, you see, if you do the emergency lane. So, no, you can't do that. So you got to cruise between the cattle, right, and just take it nice and easy. And it's all relative speed. All right, it's got to feel quite comfortable. Oh, paramedics. Yeah, all right. Let's be quiet about that. Got to be quite comfy, and you don't want your heart racing when you're doing this sort of stuff. You want to be able to just be there comfortably in your seat, no stress. Look at the line of bloody cars. My god, far out. Where are they going? Oh yeah, it's the Australia Day the Australia Day Dickend? No, I mean Australia Day weekend tomorrow. From tomorrow. Hang on. What day's today? Today is Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Yeah, it is. And tomorrow's Australia Day, and everyone's going down for the Australia Day something or other. I reckon that's what's probably happening. So that's why the cattle. There you go. Meh. But yeah, that's the trick, you see. Nice and easy. Cattles don't get startled when you go slowly next to them. But if you zoom past a cattle, oh freaking hell. You watch that cattle jump, right? The cattle's likely to jump out in front of you if you zoom past the cattle. So, same principle, just like cattle. You want to keep it relatively mild and unobtrusive to their mentalities, because their mentalities might jump all of a sudden and go, what the hell was that? Oh, panic, you know. So it's a bit like Cars, if, you know, in the movie. If you've watched Cars, the tractors in the field. The tractors in the field are like the cattle, and if you startle, if you go past them too quickly or too loud, the tractors keel over, like they flip up and over, right? This guy's blocking me, don't know what he's blocking me for. See you later. So, same principle, don't startle the cattle. Nice and peasy. Like peasy or piss easy. Well, if you do it nice and easy, it's peasy. There you go. If it's nice and easy, it's piss easy. Yeah, that's the philosophy. Oh, good. I think this might be the end of the halt. So there we go. There's my camera. Hey, if you notice, I've got a different helmet on today. I've got me Evo. Evo is not a dirty word. I don't think it's straight. Evo. Oh, that's ego. Sorry. Evo, but we can use it. Evo is not a dirty word. Yeah, I got my Evo on today, so it can flip up and down. Yeah, flip up and down, and I've got the mic on the flip bit. So when I'm not micing or talking crap, I can flip the flip up, and that's it, you see. And when I want to mic and when I want to talk crap, I can flip it down like I have now. Otherwise, I can enjoy the nice fresh breeze in me puss. Puss. That's right. You heard me right. Puss. Look it up. Definition 2. Puss number 2. Definition 1. Sorry. So it's puss word 2. There's 2 words for puss. Puss word 2. Definition number 1. Is have a look it up. Look it up. I'm not lying. It's face. So when I said a bit of wind in my puss, I know you dirty blokes and ladies, or probably a couple of dirty ladies too, were thinking, yeah, you dirty bugger. But no, I was being civilised. Look it up. Puss definition 1. I think it's Irish. Yeah, and it means face or lips, alright? Face or lips. So that's what I was referring to. A bit of fresh air on me face and lips. When I'm not micing, you see? Alright. There you go, there's a bit of filtering and a bit of canter. Now canter's what you do when you cantilever, like when you counterbalance something, you canter. I don't know, Ganter, might be Ganter. Oh, I gotta look him up. Anyway, off to Apollo for the Oz Day. Hope you have a good Oz Day. Catch us later.